Rescue 3 to base at Cliff Edge, grid 1, 7 Sierra, 432-100, 467890, twin tension system ready to lower.
Copy, Rescue 3.
Action. Echo 2, entering Bravo corridor. Interior search with K9, low and slow, tethered. Marking hazards and monitoring atmosphere. Command, Echo 2. K9 level 3 alert at interior Bravo stair landing. Approximately 1-2 meters above floor, overhead entrapment.
Routine, Rescue 1 to base. Diagonal line set, commencing contact approach. Rescue 1 moving upstream with 1 victim online. Maintain downstream safety.
SAR 1 to command. K9 Alpha mobile from FS-12. Tracking north along ridge, grid 1-2 Alpha. Command from SAR 1. K9 Alpha showing interest on north slope. Grid 1-2 Bravo, increasing pace toward drainage.